is Bala, where hydration meets recovery, and literally every sip works as hard as you do. This is the 12 single serving variety pack for lime, for pineapple, and for berry. So first impressions with these, a total body wellness drink immediately stands out to me with its clean ingredients, and I really like the smart blend of electrolytes, enzymes, and turmeric. I really do appreciate that this is sugar-free and plant-based, so you do not have the usual artificial taste that you get from most hydration powders. This one was really good. The packaging is so sleek, and just pop this in your bag or your purse and you're good to go. What I really liked about this is the pineapple flavor is bright and refreshing. It tastes like vacation water. Love, 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 love. And also the lime and the berry rounded this out for me beautifully. These are not boring flavors, and you could switch them up to make sure that you stay engaged. But the verdict, Bala nailed the balance between hydration and wellness with these. Definitely. They dissolved so easily. They tasted natural, and they really did give me that clean energy. I had absolutely no sugar spikes whatsoever. These are so smart if you travel by train or if you just want better hydration without junky ingredients. This is a smart daily staple. This review is sponsored by Bala.